Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I am Irene and in case you're new here, I am an Italian language tutor. As I do have a lot of students who are just starting out with Italian, they're beginners or they've just started learning and they want to learn more about the basics of Italian grammar. I thought I would make a series about just this Italian grammar and make it fun, make it easy so that everyone can understand it. And also you have somewhere to start. Okay, so let's jump right into it, and today we are gonna talk about nouns. Okay, so Italian has just two genders. We have masculine and feminine. Nouns are fairly easy to distinguish. There are some irregularities, but I would say that the majority of them are pretty regular. To understand which gender your noun is, you will have to pay attention to the last letter. Okay, so let's start with the masculine. Masculine nouns almost always end in O. Okay, so O in Italian. I'll give you a couple of examples. Let's say il bambino or il tempo, or again, lo spazio. There is also a small group of masculine nouns that end in A, so A in Italian. For example, il problema or il poeta. But that's just a small group and they're usually accompanied by the article, so that can also help you understand which gender we're referring to. But what about the feminine? Most feminine nouns will end in A, alright? A, which in Italian is pronounced A. So for example, la casa or la sedia, or again, la bambina. Then we do have a small group of feminine nouns that end in O, so O in Italian. For example, la radio or la foto. They don't take the suffix A because they are basically shortened versions of other words, such as photography, fotografia. Okay, so we will have la foto, which actually comes from la fotografia. So I would say that in the very beginning, these words used to be very regular words that then were shortened.
What?
Then we have also some nouns that are difficult to distinguish depending on their suffix, because we have a group of nouns that can be both feminine and masculine that end in E, so E in Italian. So for example, il padrone or la ragione and so on. You can distinguish these just depending on their article, basically, on the article that comes with them. But we will talk about the article in a later lesson. Another group of nouns that works exactly the same is the group of the nouns that end in a vowel with the accent on top. They can be feminine and masculine, and it's pretty hard to understand which gender they belong to, because basically we have la città, we have il papà, we have let's say la virtù.
Another one.
And the very last group of nouns are loan words. Loan words are words that were borrowed from other languages, such as computer. Okay, in Italian we just say computer. So, you know, basically what we have is another language's word in our own system, which is adapted to our phonology, our morphology, and so on and so on and so forth. Most of the times they are masculine nouns, but I feel like I should warn you, because there might be some exceptions. So pay attention to that. Alright, so these are all the groups of nouns that we have in Italian, but we just saw them in the singular form. What about the plural? Well, stay tuned for the next video because I'm going to explain exactly that. I'll see you soon.